Today was a meaningful day as we helped our beneficiaries take a step toward clearer vision and better daily living. First on the list was Mr. Amado, a hardworking painter.
Pabasa muna dito tayo. Anong mga letra dyan?
XRA.
Okay. Sumasakit ba ulo ni Tay?
Hindi naman po.
Hilo, wala rin naman.
His vision is very important in his job.
Tingnan niyo ang lapat tayo. Pantay lang ba? Balik kayo lumakad.
And getting his eyes checked will help him continue his work safely and with confidence.
Diretso lang sa gitna ko ay gagalaw ko na lang ito. Ilan lang pag napipigil ko at pipitilan.
Next was Mr. Mario, a jeepney driver.
Dito ko. Konting labo.
UNX.
Okay, medyo kaya. Kita pa ba to?
Yes, ma'am.
Pa dito.
Yan, medyo ano na.
Yung labo na, no?
Clear eyesight is important on the road, and this checkup will help him drive better and keep his passengers safe every day. Lastly, we met Alden, a student from CES.
Anong letter yan? Okay. Pag nilagyan ko, yan, naging malaki ba yung letters o naging maliit sila? Dito. Tumaba ba? Umaya? Lumiit. Okay.
Having difficulty seeing in class made learning challenging. But this checkup brings him closer to seeing clearly and studying well. All glory to God for making this possible, and for touching lives in simple but meaningful ways.